Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. My name is Lauren, and on my channel I post a lot of motherhood, fashion, lifestyle, and organization type of videos. So if any of that interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you guys stick around. So I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to be finally tackling my to-do list. This video is also in collaboration with a good friend of mine over on Instagram and YouTube, and her name is Carolyn. She is a twin mom of 2 little girls, and her channel is honestly amazing. I love all of her videos. Her personality is just so nice, and she deserves so much more recognition. So her video, she's going to be tackling her to-do list as well, and I will have that link down below for you guys to check out, as well as her Instagram. And definitely check her out because you don't want to miss her content. She's so good. So anyways, without further ado, I hope you guys are ready for some extreme cleaning and to-do list motivation, because I'm sure ready to get this to-do list tackled. So tackle your to-do list with me, and I'm super excited about this one.
I keep coming back for more. Crashing down into the rain. All things are burning up in flames. We're going under. Bang bang like thunder. Bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down into the rain. Our love will never be the same. We're going under. Bang bang like thunder.
I just wanted to pop in here quickly, and I know that I say a lot in all my videos and on my Instagram that my hair is the thinnest thing ever, and I quite literally in these clips only have 2 pieces of hair. So as you can see, I have very thin hair, and I'm very aware of my hair. It's definitely one of my biggest insecurities. So
I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go.
And before you guys comment, yes, that is a bag of 2-bite brownies. I mean, when you do laundry, you have to have a snack. I'm sure I'm not the only one who feels like this, but yes, that is a bag of 2-bite brownies that I was eating.
Bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in it.
In one of my recent videos, which I'll have as an eye in the sky right here, I just recently completely redid Charles's closet and went through and organized it all. So this was very satisfying to put away, although the drawer is a completely different story. I redo this all the time, but for some reason it always becomes a mess again, and the books are just pointless. I don't even know why I bothered cleaning them up, to be completely honest with you, because 2 seconds after this clip, once I let Charles out of his crib, that's the first place that he goes to. He literally thinks, oh, they're clean, let's make a mess of them. I don't even know why I bothered, but I did it for the aesthetic of the video. But just so you know, they're destroyed within 0.2 seconds of that clip ending.
A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. Crashing down in it. Aeroplane. All things are burning up in flames. We're going under. Bang bang like thunder. Bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in it. Aeroplane. Our love will never be the same. We're going under. Bang bang like thunder. Bang bang like thunder. Take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah.
So same with the bookshelf in Charles's room. This closet is the exact same situation. I don't even know why I bothered cleaning it, because I know once I do laundry and I want to put it away quickly, I'm just going to throw it back in here anyways. And this is the realistic version of this closet. Yes, it looks really nice when it's all done and put together, but that lasts for maybe a day or 2. I mean, if I'm nice to myself, maybe I'll give it a week, but this will get bad really quick. And while I'm editing and making the voiceover for this video, I just want you guys to know that this is a realistic to-do list. This is stuff that I try to do on a daily basis to keep my house looking at least somewhat decent. My house is by absolutely no means picture perfect, but I like to keep it somewhat clean. I mean, it's not the most organized, it's probably not the cleanest half the time, but this is the best that I can do, and I just want you guys to know that this is realistic for me. And then after everything was finally cleaned and put away, I went through and vacuumed, and this 1000% is my favorite thing to do when it comes to cleaning. It's just so satisfying. I think it's the vacuum lines that really get me. I mean, I probably sound crazy, but I'm sure some of you guys can relate that vacuum lines are just the best things ever. The best part of cleaning, period. I love that. I went in with my Molly Suds spray. This isn't like a masking spray. This is more of a deodorizing spray, so it's nice when we have the diaper genie in there. I just spray it all over the room, and it smells really good. Help? Uh-oh. Oh no.
Innocent, we know what we did. I'm a sucker.
What are you doing? Oh, okay. Is it fun?
Why are you doing the bed in there?
Go, pony, go! And then it was finally time in my to-do list to vacuum the stairs, and I don't know why, but I absolutely hate vacuuming the stairs, partially because I lost the actual piece to vacuum the stairs. I don't know how many times I'm going to say stairs, so I have to do it with the big thing, and it's just so inconvenient. It's so annoying. It never turns out the way that I want it to. I mean, it does the job okay, but it's never as good as I want it to be. But I mean, it's my fault for losing the part. After I finished the stairs, I just plugged in the vacuum for tomorrow, turned off the lights, and then I went upstairs to watch a movie with Thomas. I really hope that you guys did enjoy today's video. Make sure to check out Carolyns' channel. It will be linked down in this description box for you guys. Subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!